Hey guys, Rambler here. They fixed the air conditioning yesterday and it's blowing nice and cold. So I'm happy. Now the big question is, will the exporters be as happy? Vehicle's got no codes in the dash. I'll demonstrate that. Let me close the door. Okay. Absolutely no codes in the dash. Before, down in here, we had the indicator for the engine light, right? The red engine light was on. And the atmospheric temperature back then, sorry about the extra noise, the air conditioning's on. The atmospheric temperature, that's what that is, was reading minus 40. So we had to replace the sensor for that and do some work on the wiring underneath the hood. They rerouted the wiring to where it's supposed to be, and I'm happy as can be. So no issues at all, and yeah, your man's happy. So thought I'd just make a quick video and show you that. Okay, you have a great day.